Well, hello there and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. A few years ago, I remember going to a restaurant and them having a special of the week. And the special of the week was called a Phorrito, where it was half that fun pho soup, P-H-O, and half burrito. It was like putting the soup inside a burrito. Well, you know what? It was great. Had totally forgot about it until recently, and I thought, I need to try making that myself. So today we're gonna make a Phorrito. Let's go. I put about a tablespoon of oil in a pan. I'm gonna start by cooking up some sliced onion. I sliced one giant onion and some diced jalapeños. I'm gonna add a little ginger and a touch of lemongrass. This is really just optional. I just want the onions to start to soften a bit. Now I'm adding a box of broth. And now I have some shaved beef that I'm going to place in that boiling broth to start cooking. Allow it to brown. It'll only take a couple minutes. I found these pho rice noodles in the store. You just put those in the bottom of a pan or a bowl, and you're going to cover it with some boiling water and just let it sit there for about 4 minutes. Put a lid on there. I'm using a slotted spoon to get out all that meat and onions. I don't need much of that broth in this Phorrito, but I might save some of that broth for a future occasion. And now it's time to prep that tortilla. I warmed it up a little bit. We're gonna start by putting some of that onion meat mixture. And on top of that, we're gonna add some of those noodles. Next comes a little Hoisin sauce and some sweet chili sauce. Yum! Here we have some cut up cilantro and cut up Thai basil. That goes on top next. Let's wrap it. We have ourselves a Phorrito. Phorrito. Let's give it a try. Oh, no way. It's incredible. I love those flavors. I love the ginger and the lemongrass and those sauces. And the meat is perfect. And it is kind of juicy. It is a wonderful meal. Phorrito. You gotta try it. Last week, I managed to resuscitate a clown. He's doing a lot better, but he's still on laugh support.